Hello, welcome to Creating with Karen, and today we're going to make the bracelet that you saw in the beginning of the video. And what we are using today, and you know I love recycle, recycle, recycle. This is the inside of a packing tape roll of packing tape. So, bracelet. So today we're going to make a denim bracelet, and these are from old jeans that I cut. So we have the denim cloth cut in a strip that's about 2 inches long. Okay, and I just have an extra piece just in case it doesn't go all the way around. I can add it, just being prepared. And we have our Aleene's original tacky glue, and we have the Aleene's clear tacky. I have a piece of suede cord to embellish the bracelet. You need your scissors, cutting, and I have 2 pairs. You may just need one, but I use 2 pairs of needle nose pliers because sometimes when I pick up things I will use both of them to open the little jumps, connectors rather. And just in case, I'm thinking about embellishing using the shells. I'll see how they lay down on the bracelet once everything is on there. Okay, so what we do is we're going to apply on the inside. I was holding this upside down because it's almost empty, and I'm going to apply some glue. If it'll ever come down. Here we go. I believe that's it. Okay, it's slow coming out. Here we go. You saw me struggle there. I'm going to apply a nice amount of tacky glue on the inside. Take one end, apply it there. Okay, I'm going to hold it, and what we're going to do is we're going to stretch it, keeping pressure here so it won't move. Bring it through. And I know you heard me talk about frayed ends in this on other videos. So as I bring it through, I'm going to overlap the edge and pull tight. Now, even if we get some of these like this, like the puckers here, that's good. That adds to the beauty of the bracelet. We're going to pull tight. And just overlapping. Alright. Still holding that spot where I applied the first bit of glue. Pull tight. Continue to bring it around, overlapping, like I said, over the edge. And I probably will leave this one frayed because it's not a whole lot. I'll cut off some of the longer pieces, and that'll help add to the originality of the piece. Okay. And looks like I may need that extra piece. Let's see. Go as tight as I can. Well, I'm going to go around the bottom, but I'll have to put just one little piece on the inside, that's fine. Some areas you'll see that it's a little crease, and that's fine. That just adds to the originality of the bracelet. So I got it pulled nice and tight. And I should have left my bottle upside down. It'll be down in a second. Alright. Alright. Yep, it's time for a new bottle. I love this stuff. Aleene's. Well, that's empty, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the clear tacky on the inside. I'm just going to use the clear tacky on the outside. But, so I'm going to apply the clear tacky. Put some on this edge. I'm applying a generous amount. Alright. And we're going to pull and bring it over. And hold it. Make sure the inside is smooth. Okay. Well, this is good. It worked out fine to use the clear tacky because it won't show a little residue. It's going to dry clear. Okay, let me just clean my hands off. Alright. Now, just for this little area, it's just a little spot there that needs a little patchwork. So, I'm just going to cut a little square. There we go. And I'm going to apply my glue around the edges. Near the edge. Bring it out. And right where I didn't get coverage, where it fell a little short on the inside, I'm just going to place this there. Put a little pressure. There we go. That's going to be dry nice and firm. We have some little frayed pieces here, some of the little long pieces. Let's get rid of those. I need to apply a little bit more glue right here on this edge. So this way, you don't have to throw away your jeans. You can recycle them and find all kinds of good things to make out of them. Okay. Another long piece. Alrighty. There we go. Now, next step is, what we're going to do is, right where I put the little patch, that's where I'm going to start. And I'm going to take this and just go around that edge. I don't think I'm going to use the shells. I think I'm just going to keep it without the shells. So we don't need these. Kind of like what I saw when I put that piece there. So we're going to line the inside. And this is for average size hand, average wrist. Okay. I'm going to take this and lay it flat. Just on the inside. Just short of the edge. Okay. And up. Let's see, let me hold it. I let it go. So let me hold it. Maybe a little bit more glue. Just a little bit more glue. I let it go to some So let me get the glue off my fingers because I don't want to get it. And bring it around. Just along that edge. The frayed edge. Just bring it around. Under. Just, and pull it as you go. Bring it around again. Actually, we can bring the edge through. Pass it through. Alright, let's pull it. Let's see. And bring it around. Again. Again. There we go. All right, let me bring it inside. Let's clip it first. Have to switch hands because the scissors are right-handed scissors. So, get back where I was. All right, hold that. All right, I have completed wrapping the suede cord around the bracelet, and this is our finished product. This piece and all other pieces that you see in my videos, they're available for sale at my Etsy store, the Nina Ray collection. The link is in the description box. Once again, thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell for more notifications and videos that I have planned. Also, I'm planning some great giveaways. Bye-bye and see you next time.